Thanks for visiting our website, and welcome to the AmerMounts Advantage. Today we'll be looking at our AMRP100. When you want to install a projector, the AMRP100 is exactly what you need. With the universal spider adapter, it mounts to any projector. The cast aluminum projector arm supports a projector up to 30 pounds. It comes equipped with 4 arms, which allow you to position the projector anywhere on the mount. The positioning joint can tilt and swivel 180 degrees. The projector mount attaches to a ceiling or a wall, and if you have a drop ceiling, you can purchase our Amer DCP100 kit, which is specifically designed for a drop ceiling installation. Check out our product video on the Amer DCP100 kit. If you have high ceilings or a large projector, we have optional accessories available, which are also great for cable management. You can easily put the cables down the middle. The extension poles are available in 6, 12, or 24-inch lengths and can be combined for an even larger length. If the standard lengths don't fit, we have the option for an adjustable pole, which can be manually adjusted from 16 to 26 inches. If you're working with a 4x2 ceiling tile, we also offer an optional T-bar. This allows you to convert a 4x2 ceiling tile into a 2x2 ceiling tile. The AMRP100 comes with the standard arms, which supports mounting points up to 12 inches. For a larger projector, we have the optional 1057, which supports a mounting point up to 15.7 inches. The AMRP100 is available in either a white, silver, or black finish. All AmerMount products are easy to install, ergonomically designed, and come with a 3-year warranty. If you need technical support, you can call our toll-free number, or you can visit us on our website. Thanks for watching the AmerMount Advantage.